the editor's toolbox tools, timelines, and transitions. Before the story takes shape, the editor's toolbox must be mastered. Every frame, every sound, every cut begins with tools. Editing software offers timelines, layers, tracks, and transitions, but knowing how and when to use them is what defines a true editor. The timeline is your canvas. It maps time, space, and sequence. Transitions, such as cuts, dissolves, fades, and wipes, are not just effects. They carry emotional weight. Tools like ripple edit, slip, slide, and trim allow precise control. They shape rhythm, but tools do not create meaning. Editors do. The best tool is judgment. In this lesson, we explore what's inside the editor's digital toolbox and how each piece supports the craft of cinematic storytelling.
Dreams deciding, watch to earn, the stars aligning. One frame, one vote, your stake, your say, you shape the films.